Okay, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to get your pictures off of your device onto your Google Drive account, and then how to do the actual movie of the stop motion animation. So first of all, on your device, you'll want to go to your Google Drive and open that up, and on that, in the top right hand column, there should be a plus sign. So you click on that plus sign, and there are some options where it says add to my drive. You are going to click on upload photos or videos. Then that will go to either your camera roll or your photo stream if you're in the Apple world. I don't know how that works in the Android world. Now these will obviously be your pictures of yourselves, and I don't have any of those, so I'm just going to select a few pictures of my son here, and you can select them all the pictures of your cells pictures. I'll just select a few of these and send them into my Google Drive, and bam, they will be in my Google Drive. You can see they're downloading right now. So that is a very easy step. Now what I want to do is go and start my movie. So I am going to go to Windows Movie Maker is the program we are going to be using. And before I do that, actually, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. So that's on drive.google.com. You type in, I'm already logged in, so I don't have to log in. And actually I do have to log in. I'm going to go to my Drive account that I have these pictures on, and you can see that Google Drive has put them on my drive so that I can access them here on the computer. Now the next step will be to take these pictures and to download them to my computer. So I'm going to check each of these files, or each of these pictures rather, and I am going to put them, download them to my computer. So let's see how I do this. Okay, I right clicked and then I went to download, and I'm going to download them. I don't want to change any formats. I'm going to download them as is. Selected items, actually. And click download. Looks like it's going to zip my files into a folder so that the download can proceed faster. And then my download is working, so now let's see. I'm complete. And with my download complete, I can now open those files. So they will be in a file on your computer called downloads. So go back to the computer. Let me get rid of this. And just go to my computer. And it will be in this downloads. And there it is. There's my files. So I'm just going to open that up on my desktop so that I have my files. Okay, so now that I know where my pictures are and I've got them on, you will have to put them on the computer, on the laptops we're using. I'm in Windows Movie Maker, and it's really fast and easy. So I'm going to click Add Videos and Photos, and I'm going to go to that file where they're at, That file is that zipped folder that I had. I might actually have to make a new folder to put them in because it is not showing up. So let me do that. I'll just put a new folder on my desktop, and I will select all of those and drag them into my new folder. Okay, and now I should be able to do that. So add videos and photos. Go to my desktop. That file would say new folder. There it is. There they are. Okay, so I can select all of those. With Control A is an easy way to do that. And then click Open. Now I have all my pictures. Obviously yours will be of your mitosis slides. And on those slides I'm going to select all of them again. And I'm going to edit those so the duration of that is 0.2 seconds. I find works pretty well for animations. Now some of those you can go back and change so that they are longer. Like if I had my first slide, if it was the one that had everything labeled on it for interphase, I would probably want to leave that up for about, I don't know, anywhere between 5 and 10 seconds. So I'm just going to put that one as 10 seconds. And suppose this was the first slide of metaphase. I'd want that to be a little bit on there a little bit longer. And for each of the other phases, prophase, anaphase, etc., I want them to be up there for a little bit longer. So initially, this is what my video is going to look like. I actually started it over here, so you can see how that stop motion is going to work. That first slide I left on for longer, or that first picture rather, is on there for longer, and then it goes through and it looks like a movie, as it looks like my son is moving around as I do kind of stop motion animation there. So that is kind of the basics of that. You can add titles and credits later, but I would focus on getting the movie right. Let's say I had a slide that was out of order. It's really easy. You just click on the slide and you drag it to where it should go. So that's an easy way to get your slides in the order where they need to go. Alright, now say you have everything the way you want it to be. Your slides are all in the right order. You've got your transitions exactly how you want them to go, and you're ready to now make your movie. This step is probably the most important step, so please do this correctly, or else if you send me the wrong file, it's not going to be saved as a movie, and I won't be able to grade your movie. And if you don't do it properly, you will not get the full credit, as I won't be able to see anything at all. So this step is vital. You're going to click on Save Movie. I want you to go down to this setting where it says For Computer, and click on that. And then you're going to save it as your movie. So this, I'm just going to save this as mitosis. Screencast, because this is what I'm doing. 2013. You can just save it as your name and your partner's name, mitosis animation. And save it as a Windows Media Video file. And click Save, and then it will save your movie to whichever folder you sent it to on that computer. And then when you play that movie, you can check it by playing it. So this is what I will get. I will get a file like this, and it will go through your movie for me. If you don't save it like that, it will give me just a bunch of blank pictures that I can't see. So make sure you do that last and final step. After you've done that step, I want you to send me that movie. I'm going to close this and go to the folder where I have that movie. I believe it's in here. And I believe it is this one. So what I want you to do with that is I want you to put that into your Google Drive and share that with me. So I'm going to copy that. Let's see if this works. And then I am going to go to my Google Drive. And I am going to upload that file. Actually, I'm not going to copy it. I'm going to upload that file to my Google Drive. As I'm waiting for this, I might have to pause this and come back when it's ready. Let's try this again then. So now I am going to upload my file. And my file is in my videos folder. That one was it. Open, and it will upload. From there, what I want you to do is share this with me. So, right-click, share, and then invite me. So put M. LeDuc at wsdstudent.net. And click save and share. And that's it. You're done. And I hope that was helpful.